welcome back to Pink Pretty and Sparkling. How are you ladies doing today? I hope that you guys are doing good. So with Valentine's around the corner, I'm feeling a little red, you know, pink. I was thinking that I wanted to create, you know, a Valentine's Day look, inspired look. So for today's video, I'm thinking about using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. I just got my hands on this one, and this is what the colors look like right here. I mean, I know that the Naked Cherry is so last year, literally, they just came out last year. But I mean, I feel like when I was searching through my palette collection, you know, trying to find the right palette with the right colors, you know, something to scream Valentine's Day, I saw the colors in this one. I was like, wait, I think this must be the right one. Because I mean, Huda Beauty came to my mind right away. Let's be real, okay? Huda Beauty, the new nude palette came to my mind, but I mean, I did a video on that one 2 weeks ago. So I was like, I want to do a tutorial with something that I haven't used yet. But anyways, enough rambling. This is what we're gonna use today. We'll get some inspiration. As per usual, I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so I just have a shirt. Because either way, I get powder and everything. I don't want to get powder on my clothes. And let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so to set my eyes, I'm just gonna use some concealer today. I'm gonna go with the H1. As you can see, this is pretty much empty, so I'm just gonna use the last of it and probably throw it away. Yeah, this one still has a little bit. It has quite a bit. But I think today will be the last run, and then we'll open a new one. I do have a new one waiting for me already, so. Okay, so going in with Hot Spot right here, I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer. This one, okay. Oh, very sheer, but definitely I want a bigger brush. I want something bigger. Let's see if this one will be good. This is the Morphe E27. Yeah, this is a lot fluffier. That's more advanced. I want fluffy brushes when it comes to this. So our eyes are set. And let me zoom in so we can start working, okay? With the same brush, the E27, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Caution, which is this one right here, the one right next to the base. This one is just a light brownish shade. It's not brown, it's just like tan. And we're gonna put this like all the way up here for the transition. Well, that's too light. Too light. Well, we're just gonna put it down as a bit as a transition here, because it is gonna help us, you know, blend things later on. But in addition to this one, I think I'm gonna get one of like the pinky ones that I see there. So we're gonna go in with Feels right here. And we're gonna put that one kind of where we put the first one too. This area right here. There you go. Yeah, it's gonna be a much better transition shade. This is nice. I like that color. Okay, so now that we have this right here, it looks about the same now. I think. Let's go ahead and use a little bit of Juicy right above the crease. Juicy right here, right above the crease, because that looks like it's gonna bring us some warmth to the eye. Let me see which. I think this one's better. I got this one on my Boxycharm box a while back. It's the Moda Pro brush. And it's not as fluffy as the other one, and it has that taper end. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab a little bit of Juicy on that little pointy part like that, okay? The very point. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and go right up here. Juicy's more of a like, it has like a certain orangey tone to it, I think. So it's good to, I think it's pretty good to blend this to the, like to the brow bone. Not to the brow bone all the way up here, but like slightly up here, you know what I mean? This is where I'm putting it. Right up here, because the crease is right here. You see, right here is a crease, so I'm putting it a little above the crease. So it's kind of like between the crease and the brow bone. Okay, so we're just pretty much blending the previous shadow with the other previous shadow. Okay, so we're pretty much blending feels with caution, which caution, remember, it's the beigey one. Okay, so anyways, so yeah, we're just putting this right up here. Okay, and that's Juicy. This is like a warmer pink. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and use Devilish, which is this one right here. It's like a dark purple. And I'm gonna use that on my outer corner and drag it in. Okay, we're gonna start here and we're gonna drag it in. Okay, let's see. Devilish. That's a pretty color actually. This reminds me of the purple that we used for my friend Rosanna's wedding. Hi Rosanna! Her wedding was really pretty. She got married a year before we did, before my husband and I did. So she was pretty much the one that gave us wedding fever. And so we wore some purple dresses that were kind of like this color actually. And I remember that I was looking for purple shadows for her wedding. And back then I was barely starting to get into makeup. Like I knew how to do my foundation, but I was not good. Like I'll tell you, not good at doing shadows at all. And I remember that my older sister, you know, I always remember my sister doing her makeup, and she wouldn't really do much, but I always thought that, you know, she would do an amazing job. And so I remember I told her like, oh, I'm gonna do my foundation, but you're gonna do my shadow, because I have no idea how to do it. And I had her do my shadow. And now, Peer, I'm the one that does her makeup every now and then. And I taught her, you know, how to get lashes on too, because she didn't know either. And so it's funny how like we talk and we'll remember those times. I'm gonna use this brush because, you know, it's tapered, it's really fluffy. So we're just gonna, with a little tip, we're gonna grab big right here, this one right here. Pop, pop, pop. Right here, okay. Just a teensy bit right now, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease off camera. If you want to see how I do that, I actually did that on my previous video. I kind of want to make it a little short and sweet since we've been talking. I don't want to make it too long. And then I'll be right back once my creases are cut. Okay. So I'm gonna get Young Love, which is this red right here. Young Love. No, this is one right here. Sorry. This is this one right here. Young Love. Okay, I'm gonna get it on my brush, and then I'm gonna put it on the edge of the other side. Just on the edge right here. So anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Bang Bang, which is right here. This one. And with the finger, we're still gonna pick it up a little bit more. And we're still gonna go ahead and pat it in a little bit on top of the other red one. Okay, so we're gonna pat it in. And it's gonna, you see how that color turns? It changes. So whenever you place Young Love on the bottom and then the Bang Bang on top, it shifts. It gives a shifting color and it looks really pretty for the outer corner. Honestly, it does. Okay, so now with the fluffier brush that we used earlier, the M576, we're gonna get Devilish one more time and just add it on the outer corner right here. There you go. Just to make sure that that color is showing up. Very Valentine-y. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut you guys here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and then we shall be back with the lower lash line, and hopefully I'll have my outfit done too. That way you can kind of see how it's getting together. Okay, so I'll be right back in 1 second. So for lashes, I'm wearing House of Lashes in the style Heartbreaker. And to be honest with you, I don't like them. I got these on my Boxycharm. I didn't buy them. I've been wanting to try their lashes. I don't think I've tried their lashes before. But I can tell that these are the cheapest ones that they sell. And I usually don't tend to reach for those. I mean, if I want cheap, I'm going to go to the drugstore and not try to wear them online. And I mean, their quality, I think these are supposed to be for like $9, I remember. Their quality is way worse than the ones that I used, the Kiss. I mean, and these are like what? Like $8 for 5 pairs. So anyways, let's go ahead and use Devilish on the bottom lash line. I also used black liner on my upper waterline and brown one on the bottom one, okay, the waterline. So I do have these. This is the NYX retractable eyeliner, the brown one, and this one is the Milani Supreme Cold Kajal liner. Okay, so those are the ones that I have. Other than that, I think you know what I use pretty much. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Morphe brush M432, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use my mirror there from this side. Okay, so with the smudger side of the brush that came in here, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of Privacy, and I'm gonna smudge a little bit the red shadow that we put on, which was Devilish. Okay, so I already have mascara on my top lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and add mascara to my bottom lashes. Okay, my Dazzling beauties, well, this is the full look for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really loved it. I like how it turned out. I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like this shadow color makes my eyes pop. And I have heard that purple shadow brings brings the beauty in brown eyes. Brings out the beauty in brown eyes. But I'm starting to leave it because now they look kind of like hazel-ish. I like everything except the lashes. I wish I should have changed them in time, but but you know, whenever you put them on and then you get them off, it'll strip down your shadow. I don't want that to happen, so I just went ahead and fixed it up and went with it, and for sure I'll be throwing them out after today. I really hope I can find other lashes that I like from House of Lashes. I've heard good things from them, about them. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I think I show you almost everything. If not, I'll go ahead and link them down below. Not link them, but at least write out what I used. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did. I loved it. I hope I hope if you have your naked palette and you plan to use it and follow my tutorial, tag me to pinkprettyandsparkling on Instagram. I would love to see your looks. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below. I would love to know what are your V-Day plans, what makeup look are you planning on doing. I don't know, just chat with me. I love you and we'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye.